And then what happened?
Lost compression, I guess.
Lost compression.
Yeah, we had negative compression in cylinder 3.
The engine
Sounds fun.
The engine created vacuum.
Oh, that's good.
It's 0.
It's 0.
Not
Any reason why?
nothing that I could see. Maybe once we get the turbo off or all the lines off.
I mean, it was leaking oil below, so
Not very much though.
no.
I don't think there's going to be a gaping hole in the block. If there was, you would have all your oil on the ground below you.
Yeah, and there wasn't. It was just
And they would have been doing a cleanup on the track
yeah.
because you blew up into, or it stopped into turn 11.
I heard it on the radio. And I was like, uh-oh.
How much time for a race? 52 minutes. We went pretty closes.
Oh, no, I don't.
The race starts at 12:40. Green flag.
1240? Maybe it's going to
Well, you heard it right there. They have to replace the engine pretty much.
Hey, careful.
Yeah.
We didn't drop it though.
Yeah, we are.
Wait, the master.
We forgot the master.
Oh, shoot, 13. Yeah, get the 13.
The touch leg.
Yeah. 13.
Touch leg.
Pretty clean in there.
I know we talked about it.
Come on.
You take it.
Here's a clutch removal kit. Go on the inside of this. Okay, should be good.
Thank you guys.
They're all on top. We should text Walter to come over here. You have his number?
No, I don't.
Evan, you can leave that on there, right? Just leave it. Ready to go. So we get the manifold bolted in, but you got to get all those things underneath it, right? We got to get the water valve down in here. It was. No, it's still on the car.
I'm trying to rush.
I know. What do you need help with it?
I need that.
That? What time is it?
I'm going to need that. No. The bracket right there?
Hard to say when you're going to lose an engine. Yeah, like, it's an engine all the time. This has a tray. Oh, but we got the axles on, right? Yeah. Okay. You have to lift it out the back here because it's in this pin. Yeah. So can you get a pry bar and pump it on the... You're out of the pin. I'm out of the... Oh, out of the pin for a minute. You might need to... Yeah. On the fly where you're getting that out? Okay. crank guns. Watch your steps, sir. They're big torques. Watch your step here. Ready? Yeah.
Maybe Scott will take her down.
On the start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? The what? Not binding. For these? It's good. Yeah. It's for that one. Those there too now, but it's there. It's like
There you have it.
you guys know we get good parking.
New engine in a car in a short amount of time.